What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we are going to be playing real drift car racing. Alright. Hold on. Graphics enhancement up. Turn on as well as shadows, auto quality. Gonna have that on. Auto submit score off. Submit score local. Slow motion effect on. Tilt horizon off. Just camera on. There. Now I do it uphill. And the 8.6. Now it's been a while since I played it. On a different channel. First get first person view going. Oh shit. I still got it. By the way, guys, I hope you liked the intro. I tried to do everything myself. And if you want me to review a game, then leave the name of the game in the comment section down below. Oh shit. I'm just having so much fun right now. Just doing this toge track. Just drifting out like Initial D pretty much. Come on! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, damn! This is just so much fun. Call me the Drift King. And I've had this game purchased on my Google account for a while now. A wall tab right there. Hello, Manji. Oh, shit! Just a tap. Oh, of course, bit of suffering in me decided to talk. Just for a second. Holy shit. Damn. Ow. Woo! Now the Drift Force Championship. Hell yeah. This is so much fun. About to the Daydock Reverse. Not in the Mustang, but in the GT 6 with a 2JZ GTE 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo with 825 horsepower and 895 foot-pounds of torque, 6-gear manual, and a millisecond shift time. It weighs 1,138 kilograms. Well, let's get right into it. Now let's go third-person view for this. Yeah, it's got a lot of the wide bike here down. It's but I gotta roll with the fucking tire livery. Almost did a wall top right there. Shit! Just a tap. Fuck! Please excuse my language right there. I don't know what I was thinking. Fuck. Tires gripped up. And again right there. Gosh, gotta stop playing. I wanted to make this channel family friendly. Come on. Oh shit! Almost went right into the guardrail. Wall tap. Okay, I gotta use a different car. I gotta use the E30. Yeah, Bandit. You go get that E30. I have to use the E30. Woo! That blows up. Yeah, I got here, Just Hunter. I'm making a video. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat, I will put my name in the description box down below. Oh, yeah, I don't know what I was doing, but I'm probably not used to the E30. I need to get this car dialed in. I still need to get this car dialed in. It He needs it badly. Well, at least camera-wise, I think. I got my tactic down. That's what I know for sure. Come on, come on. Manji. Come on, come on. Woohoo! Hell yeah. Okay. Now time for the Date Dog reverse in the Mustang. Yeah, Mustang has turbo as well. I don't have to use the handbrake, but I decided to tap right there. Good thing my phone is so loud that the mic doesn't even pick up the stuff that's happening around me right now. Oh my god. Thank you, Samsung, for making such a good phone with a loudspeaker on the side of it. Yeah, the device that I'm using right now is the Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime running Android 7. But in a later video, I will show you guys the specs, or I'll take a picture and put it up on the screen right here. Actually, yeah, I'll just put in a picture. Oh, good thing I can drift. Ah, there. Yeah, good thing I can drift. I'm gonna do the downhill in the
You just knows
8.6
that you know how to drift on mobile.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright. Jeez, this target section. Maybe I should get the 86 dialed in. Because I feel like I need to get this car dialed in as well as the E30. But except for that, I'm drifting pretty good. Woohoo! Oh shit! Damn it! Jerry, what the heck make me fuck up? God, you on this shit? Scare the shit out of me. Oh yeah, excuse my language there. That's the best side of me that I never want to show. Stop slamming doors, man. God. Could have made me fuck up right there. There's no need to be violent, nigga. Oh shit! Fuck! I was doing so good until someone started being a fucking asshole. Oh, oops. Let's go. Stay the fuck out of this. And I'll be right back. But I'll have to recording pause, so it's gonna seem seamless. Alright. See you in a second. Well, that was fun. Oh yeah. So we are gonna be on Speedway Reverse for the last track for on this video. Yeah, let's go. In the R34 with the Liquid Stranger livery. Yes, Adam. I don't care right now. Come on, 34.
What? Okay, I need to add camber and angle to the R34. Since by default in this game, the R34 has been rear-wheel drive swapped. All right. Okay. Well, that will be it for this video. If you liked it, click that like button. If you dislike it, you know what to do. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe for more videos. And if you want to be notified every time that I upload a video, then click that bell. This is Gaming Bandit. I'm out. Peace.